for taking this video. I pushed our engineer to work without reviewing the drawing. Forgive me. I know it's not professional to make it without reviewing the drawing, but I know he also needs a trial assembly. So this is the automotive connector mode for a Japanese customer, and all these accessories are made by our factory. I see our engineers treat these accessories as a precious baby. All the components are the arms and legs of the baby. This is our job. Precious work. And remember us, we are OK Mode Technology Company. Very easy to remember our company name, right? Yes, it's OK Mode. Don't doubt it. It's OK Mode Technology. And this video is just a prelude. Tomorrow I will show you something big. Thanks for watching.